Chapter 8 Soils. Learning objectives. Formation of soils, soils of India, soil erosion, soil conservation. The surface of the earth is covered with soil. At some places it has a thin layer, while at others it is a thick layer. We get almost everything from soil. Every living being depends on soil for its survival. Plants get nutrients from the soil milk. Eggs and meat are obtained from animals that feed on these plants and other living organisms in the soil. Soil is the upper layer of the earth in which plants grow. Its thickness is only a few centimeters. Formation of soils. The rocks break down due to variations in temperature, wind and water to form soil. This process is called weathering. Soil has 4 layers. Its topmost layer is made up of minute particles and decayed plant and animal matter called humus. We grow crops in this layer. The second layer is made up of fine particles like clay. The third layer is a combination of rock materials and soil. The fourth layer consists of big and hard rocks. Bits and bytes natural processes take more than 500 years to form 2 centimeters of topsoil. Soils of India. Different types of crops are grown in different kinds of soils. Crops grow well in rich and fertile soil. In India, we basically have 6 types of soil. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil of India. It covers almost 40% of our country. It is widespread in the northern plains and the coastal plains. A variety of crops such as rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute, pulses and oilseeds grow well in this soil. Black soil. This soil is made up of lava and gets its name because of its color. It is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Cotton grows well in black soil. It is also called regger soil. It can retain moisture but cracks appear when it is dry. Desert soil. Desert soil or sandy soil is found in regions with scanty rainfall. Its moisture content is very less and the soil is sandy in texture. Good crops can be cultivated with proper irrigation. Crops like wheat, barley, millets, pulses and cotton are grown on the soil. Desert soil. Desert soil is found in the desert regions of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Quick tip. Name the type of soil found in the area where you live. Bits and bytes. Excessive cultivation reduces soil fertility. Laterite soil. Laterite soil is largely found in the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Cardamom Hills, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka and Odisha. This soil is most suitable for the growth of tea, rubber, tobacco, cashew nut and groundnut. Mountainous soil. Mountainous soil is also known as forest soil. It is found on hilly slopes of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. It is loamy and silty on valley sides. It is highly rich in humus and is very fertile, especially in the lower valleys. Crops like wheat, maize, barley, tea, coffee and spices are grown on terrace farms. Mountainous soils erode in areas where it is covered with snow. Red soil. A larger part of the southern plateau has soil that is red in color. It is not as fertile as black soil, but can be made fertile by adding manure. It is good for crops such as jawar, bajra and groundnut. Soil erosion. Soil erosion. The top layer of the soil has many minerals and in certain areas humus. It is good for crops. Sometimes heavy rainfall and strong winds remove this top layer of the soil. This is known as soil erosion. It reduces the fertility of the soil of that particular region. Soil conservation. Soil is as sensitive as a living organism. Like all living organisms, it too decays and gets degraded, but it responds to proper treatment and care. Soil suffers from several problems like degradation, erosion, deforestation, increasing salinity and overuse of fertilizers. In order to control these problems, several measures are being undertaken. For example, terrace farming, afforestation, controlled grazing and crop rotation are some remedial measures. Life skills and values. The next time you throw polythene bags around or ignore the keep off the grass sign in park, think again. You are damaging the soil that feeds you. In a nutshell, the upper layer of our earth in which plants grow is called soil. The rocks break down to form soil due to variations in temperature, wind and water. This process is called weathering. Different types of crops are grown in different kinds of soil. In India, we basically have 6 types of soil: black, alluvial, desert, laterite, mountainous and red.